Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change your name on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and you want to change your name, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your Facebook app, then tap on this menu option, then go for settings and privacy, tap on settings, and from here just tap on account center, then select profiles, and from here just select your Facebook profile, and here just tap on name. And here you just have to enter your name which you want. When you have, just tap on this review change option and your name will be changed. First of all, you have to keep in mind that if you have changed your Facebook name, you can't change it again in up to 60 days. So I have just changed my name, so I can't change it now. So you can easily change that your name for following this method. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.